Coach of Ultra High, Varun Peterkin, says indiscipline cost them the game against defending champions Glenmuir High in their ISSA Champions Cup semi-final at the National Stadium on Wednesday. Glenmuir won the contest 5-1. Ultra actually took the lead in the 22nd minute, but went into the halftime break 2-1 down. The second half was 45 minutes to forget, as the St. Anne-based school conceded 3 unanswered goals, which saw Glenmuir romping to an easy victory. Peterkin says they lost the game when Glenmuir drew level at 1-1.
When we won all, I mean, we had some weak areas that we weren't containing properly, and then some areas that Glenmuir exploited, and we didn't correct them quickly enough, you know what I mean? And again, the discipline areas, we still didn't fix them, you know what I mean? But credit to the boys them again, you know what I mean, not pressuring them, you know what I mean, we're doing well, the plan was working well, but just the discipline kind of fell short, you know, so moving on.
For Glenmuir's captain, Jason White, it was a game of sticking to the game plan and getting the job done.
One of our main instructions was to keep compact and play out from the back. Play the ball from the back and try to reach forward. Balls to the winger, midfielders make you run behind and try and get in the cross to finish.
Simply enough, Glenmuir's opponents in the final will be Jamaica College, who got the better of Hydel 1-0 in their semi-final. Keneal Brown got the all-important goal to send the Dark Blues into Saturday's final at the National Stadium.